will at all times and to the best of my knowledge.
Tariki 10 mweri uyu mucirithania munene Martha Koome ni augire king'ang'aini kuri na njama ya andu marenda kumuhamurithia kiuga ni andu maramuhahura niguo kumuinainia indi gutiri kundu arathie.
I'm a victim of cyberbullying, or is it called technologically facilitated gender-based violence. But I know the intentions. It's a business model. I don't know to achieve what, maybe to scare me, to distract me, to defame me, and hold me out of office, but they can try something else.
Kuringana na wakiri Ahmed Nasir, kanjo ya mawakiri bururi-ini iri na mahinya ma kumurika acirithania aria maraungumia, akiuga Koome abatie kwiyeheria wabici-ini yake kuona acirithania aya aungumia ni amoi indi gutire ikinya aramatacukiria.
All kind of things we have been quiet for so long, but as Gibson rightly says, we are saying enough is enough. 2024 December, which I think has 11 more days, is the end of this enterprise. From 2025 January, we will now start a crusade on how to clean the judiciary in light of what we hope our members will bring to the table.
Mwena wake wakiri Nelson Havi na uria wari muikariri giti wa kanjo ya mawakiri guku bururi-ini akiuga Koome no nginya atige wira kuona niwe muikariri giti wa acirithania guku bururi-ini JSC na ari na uira wa acirithania aria makoretwo makiungumia.
We must have the Chief Justice resign. Why do we say so? Because the Chief Justice is the head of the Judicial Service Commission. She chairs the Judicial Service Commission. How can she countenance all these complaints? And it's not that she doesn't know about them. She has intelligence. She has an office that's functional. She has evidence of judges who are corrupt.
Corruption in the judiciary is destroyed in this country. And very soon, unless we address it, we will not have a country. Because there's no law. If the rule of law breaks, where will you go?
Maugite marina kieha kuona acirithania nio maratongoria hari ungumania handu ha kuhurana naguo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Ikua wa Boshi.